President Trump has claimed victory in Pennsylvania. Despite the president's tweets, there have been no reports of fraud or other ballot concerns there. And Joe Biden is staying very confident tonight, saying that he has a clear path to 270 electoral votes. Now, as we await the results from those remaining key states for the nation's highest office, the lawsuits filed by the president's legal team claim impropriety, laying the groundwork now for a battle over the results.
WCPO 9 News reporter KRISTEN SWILLEY explains the claims behind the president's legal action and what comes next.
We spoke to a constitutional law expert and a professor at Northern Kentucky University who says it's unlikely that we'll see a repeat of the sort of fallout we did back in 2000, but this fight is far from over. It may be tempting to reflect on one of the most memorable moments in election history as this year's results hang in the balance.
It used to be unusual to litigate the results of elections, but that was successfully done in the 2000 presidential election.
Professor Ken Katkin says things shouldn't be as tumultuous and final results won't take nearly as long.
It's not that likely in this case to be successful because the kind of issues that President Trump could litigate could probably affect only a smaller number of votes.
President Trump has described the ongoing ballot count as fraud, telling supporters he'll take his fight to the Supreme Court and taking particular issue with votes received after Election Day.
Now that Justice Barrett is on the court, she has the possibility of deciding these cases opposite to how the state courts had previously decided them.
President Trump could also challenge the legality of any recounts, but Katkin says it likely won't create a large enough shift to change the outcome. He adds there is a way to mitigate these kinds of legal battles from both sides in the future.
Some of these states that are really the source of all the problem right now, they could change their law to allow what we have in Ohio, and they could allow early votes to be counted, or at least processed for acceptability as they come in. And if they would do that, we would have had a result on election night.
Katkin says despite legal challenges, the idea of not seeing final results in the next few weeks is highly unlikely. KRISTEN SWILLEY, WCPO 9 News.